Hello friends, welcome. I am Ashwini Salokhe. This is my new topic for you. Today we are going to learn some important points from our textbook from section 4, that is 4.1 History of Novel. Some important points are: A. Elements of novel or novella. First, theme. Second, plot. Third, character. Fourth, setting. Fifth, conflict. Sixth, language or style. Now B. Aspects of setting. First, place. Second, period. Third, time. Now fourth important point is climate or weather. Fifth, lifestyle. These are some aspects of setting. Now our next important point is C. Types of novel. First, realistic novel. Second, picaresque novel. Third, historical novel. Fourth, epistolary novel. Fifth, Gothic novel. Sixth, autobiographical novel. Now, our next points are: seventh, allegorical novel. Eighth, utopian or dystopian novel. Ninth, psychological novel. 10th, stream of consciousness novel. 11th, Bildungsroman novel. These are considered as the types of novel. Our next point is D. Earlier threads of genre novel found in: first, Virgil's Eclogues. Second, Thomas Malory's Morte d'Arthur. Third, Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. These are earlier threads of genre novel found in. Now let's move to next point. E. Famous novellas. First, The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Second, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James. Third, Billy Budd by Herman Melville. Fourth, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann. Fifth, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow. Sixth, Pearl by John Steinbeck. These are some famous novellas in that era. Now, our next point is earlier novelists. First, Murasaki Shikibu and his famous novel is Tale of Genji. Second, Miguel de Cervantes and his famous novel is Don Quixote. Third, John Bunyan and his famous novel is The Pilgrim's Progress. Fourth, Apra Bain and her famous novel is Oronoku. Fifth, Daniel Defoe and his famous novels are Robinson Crusoe and Moll Flanders. Sixth, Jonathan Swift and his famous novel is Gulliver's Travels. These are some earlier novelists of that era. Now our next point is G. 18th century novelists. First, Samuel Richardson and his famous novels are Pamela and Clarissa. Second, Henry Fielding. Third, Lawrence Sterne. Fourth, Tobias Smollett. These are 18th century novelists. Next, move to H. 20th century novelists. First, E.M. Forster. Second, James Joyce. Third, Joseph Conrad. Fourth, Henry James. Fifth, George Orwell. Sixth, Graham Greene. Seventh, D. H. Lawrence. Eighth, William Golding. Ninth, Anthony Burgess. These are considered as the famous novelists of 20th century. Now there are few immigrant authors, which is our next point. Immigrant authors. First, Salman Rushdie from India, V.S. Naipaul from Trinidad, and third, Kazuo Ishiguro from Japan. Now, there are few stalwart novelists. They are as follows. First, Charles Dickens. Second, Walter Scott. Third, Nathaniel Hawthorne. Fourth, Horace Walpole. Fifth, Thomas Hardy. Sixth, Wilkie Collins. Seventh, H.G. Wells. These are considered as famous novelists of that era. Now there are few women novelists which are very famous in that era. This is our next point. Women novelists. First, Apra Bain and her famous novel is Oronoku. Second, Frances Burney and her famous novel is Evelina. Third, Anne Radcliffe. Fourth, Mary Shelley and her famous novel is Frankenstein. Fifth, Jane Austen. Sixth, Emily Bronte and her famous novel is The Wuthering Heights. Seventh, Charlotte Bronte and her famous novel is Jane Eyre. Last, Mary Ann Evans or George Eliot. Now the next is 9th, Virginia Woolf. 10th, Agatha Christie. 11th, Harper Lee. 12th, Margaret Atwood. 13th, Toni Morrison. 14th, Alice Walker. These are considered as the famous novelists of that era. Now, on Indian scenario, there are few female and male novelists which are very famous. Now, our next point is Indian female novelists. First, Anita Desai. Second, Nayantara Sehgal. Third, Arundhati Roy. Fourth, Kiran Desai. All these female novelists are very famous not only in our India but in the world. Now, some Indian male novelists. First, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya and his famous novel is Raj Mohan's Wife. Second, Mulk Raj Anand. Third, R. K. Narayan. Fourth, Raja Rao. Fifth, Arun Joshi. Sixth, Manohar Malgaonkar. Now, there are few remaining male novelists. They are as follows. 7th, Amitav Ghosh. 8th, Vikram Seth. 9th, Upamanyu Chatterjee. 10th, Salman Rushdie. 11th, Kiran Nagarkar. 12th, Arvind Adiga. These are considered as the famous Indian male novelists of that era. Now, this is the important information about history of novel. Thanks a lot friends for watching my video. Now, let's visit in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.